Phytolacca is a genus of perennial plants native to North America, South America, East Asia and New Zealand. Some members of the genus are known as pokeweeds or similar names such as pokebush, pokeberry, pokeroot or poke sallet. Other names for species of Phytolacca include inkberry and ombú. The generic name is derived from the Greek word iii 1/2, meaning plant, and the Latin word lacca, a red dye. Phytolacatoxin and phytolaccigenin are present in many species which are poisonous to mammals if not cooked properly. However, the berries are eaten by birds, which are not affected by the toxin because the small seeds with very hard outer shells remain intact in the digestive system and are eliminated whole. The genus comprises about 25 to 35 species of perennial herbs, shrubs, and trees growing from 1 to 25 m tall. They have alternate simple leaves, pointed at the end, with entire or crinkled margins. The leaves can be either deciduous or evergreen. The stems are green, pink or red. The flowers are greenish-white to pink, produced in long racemes at the ends of the stems. They develop into globose berries for a €12 mm diameter, green at first, ripening dark purple to black. Selected species. The following species are accepted by one or more regional floras: Phytolacca lacinosa ROXB. A Euro-Indian poke. Southern and Eastern Asia Walter. Phytolacca americana LA Euro-American pokeweed. North America, Phytolacca australis Phil. A Euro-Western South America, Phytolacca bogatensis Cantha Euro-tropical and subtropical South America. Phytolacca chilensis Mears a Euro-Central Chile, Phytolacca dioica LA Euro-Ombú. Subtropical South America. Phytolacca dodecandrilla copyright R. A Euro-Eastern Africa, Madagascar. Phytolacca heterotopala H. Walt. A Euro-Mexican pokeweed. Mexico, SWUSA. Phytolacca icosandra LA Euro-Central and South America. Phytolacca japonica machino a Euro-Eastern Asia. Phytolacca octandra LA Euro-red ink plant. Subtropical and tropical regions worldwide. Phytolacca polyandra betalin a Euro-Central and Southwest China. Phytolacca pruinosa fenzel, Levantine pokeweed. Southern Turkey, Cyprus, Lebanon and Syria. Phytolacca rivernoides Kunth and C.D. Boucher copyright a Euro-Central and South America. Phytolacca sandwicensis Endel. A Euro-Hawaiian pokeweed. Hawaii. Phytolacca thysiflora fenzel X. J. A. Schmidt a Euro-Northern South America. Phytolacca liberbory H. Walt. A Euro-Yumbai. Peru. Formerly placed here equals, Loei asiatica Ridsdale, Terminalia catapa L. Ecology: the ombú Phytolacca dioica grows as a tree on the pampas of South America and is one of the few providers of shade on the open grassland. It is a symbol of Uruguay, Argentina and gaucho culture. P. berbory from Peru also grows to tree size. Both species have massively buttressed bases to their trunks, and very softwood with a high water storage capacity which makes them resistant to grass fires and drought. Uses: Phytolacca americana is used as a folk medicine and as food, although all parts of it must be considered toxic unless, as folk recipes claim, it is properly prepared. The root is never eaten and cannot be made edible. Poke salad is considered part of traditional southern U.S. cuisine, where it is cooked 3 times in 3 changes of boiling water to remove some of the harmful components. Toxic constituents which have been identified include the alkaloids phytolaccaine and phytolaccatoxin, as well as a glycoprotein. Notes and references. External links.